Hello everyone and welcome to our first video for the Django tutorial series. In this video we're going to tackle about how to set up Django on our machine for us to be able to build apps using Django. First of all, you have to have Python installed on our system so that Django runs because Django is built upon Python and we write Django web apps using Python. If you have macOS installed, um, Python is installed by default in your system, so you can invoke it by issuing the command in the command line like so, Python. Um, this opens up the interpreter and in which you can write Python commands. Here's an example of printing a string. There we go. So we have Python installed. Okay. For Windows users, you can download Python in their Windows page here. Click this one. This page lists all the installers for Python in the Windows platform. So you can install Python by downloading these and installing these Python versions. So all Python versions should be listed here that are supported. Uh, I recommend using 3.6 for newer projects since 2.7 will be uh, its support will be cut off in the next year, so it's not advisable to use 2.7. Just use 3.6 and you're good to go. Okay, once we have Python installed, the next thing that we do is to install pip. Pip is a package manager for third-party Python packages. We can use pip to install Django without too much hassle. We just install it with one command on the command line and Django gets installed. Okay, once we have pip installed, we need to have the virtualenv. We install virtualenv using pip and this command, pip install virtualenv. We can put this in our terminal and install virtualenv. Okay, I already have virtualenv installed in my system. I don't need to download the files anymore. By the way, virtualenv creates isolated Python environments so that each package that we install is isolated in one container and they don't get messed up. Like if we want one project to have Django 1.10, we can put it inside a virtualenv, and if we have another project that uses Django 1.11, we can have it on a separate virtualenv. So that's very useful in managing our packages. Okay, so once we have virtualenv installed, we can then start our project here. Let's go with the demo project. It does not have anything in it yet, but we'll try to install a Django project here. First, we need our virtualenv. In creating a virtualenv, we need to issue a command like this. So we invoke virtualenv. Virtualenv, the Python version that we want. I want Python 3 on my environment. And the name of our virtualenv should install setup tools and other packages for our project. Should only take a moment. That's a bit too long. Okay, it's already done. And can do ls and see our folder here. Now we have our venv folder. Okay, to activate our virtualenv, we need to issue another command, source, and then the activate file of the virtualenv. Venv, it's located inside the venv folder. Venv mean and then activate here. So as you can see, we have our environment active now. Here we can install our packages like Python and some other Python third-party packages. Okay, next we need to install Python. So installing Python is very easy since we have pip. Make sure that you have the environment activated so that it doesn't get installed in your global environment. So to install Python, we need to enter pip install. To install Django, we need to issue the command pip install Django. So pip will automatically find the Django package and install the latest release of Django, which is 1.11 at the time. So just have to wait to finish the install. And now, once Django is installed, we can now have our first Django project. To create a Django project, we need to have this one. We need to issue this command, django admin.py, start project, and the name of your project. Our first project will be the blog app. Okay, now we have our blog app. We can see this in our editor. Let's see here. So project, we need to open a new file. No, not new. Here. So we need to add that folder to our editor. Where's that? Okay, here. Okay, blog app is now created, and you have your first Django project. Okay, let's try running this project. To run the Django project, you need to go to the directory of the project and run the manage.py command. So to run the development server for Django, we issue it the manage.py. We need to run the server command Python. So we call Python manage.py run server. Okay, this should open up. This should open up the development server for Django. Just ignore this warning for now. Don't need that at the moment. So here you can see the development server serves the app inside our local host in port 8000. So we can put it like this, or maybe you can put it like this if you are not fond of numbers. So tada, now it worked. This is our first Django project.